So in this series, we are going to look at acceleration. To understand acceleration very well, we must have knowledge about velocity, which was treated in a previous series. Acceleration, which I represent with a small a, is the change in velocity with time. Velocity over time. Change in velocity with time. Final velocity minus initial velocity over time. So let's just start with this question. A car accelerates from 0 to 20 meters per second. Now, for this question, the initial is 0, final is 20. So 20, which is the final minus 0, over 5. 20 minus 0 gives us 20 over 5. So before we look at the final answer, which we know is going to be 4, let's break down how the units really work. Now, when we're treating velocity, we mentioned that velocity equals distance over time, meter over second. So we had meter per second, which is the standard unit for velocity, of kilometer per hour. But in the case of acceleration, we are mostly going to be working with meter per second. So let's stick to that. And now we are saying that acceleration equals velocity over time. So velocity is what? Meter per second over unit for time is what? Second. So it looks like meter per second per second. Meter per second per second. So per second here will be second squared. So we are going to have meter per second squared. So that's the unit for acceleration. Meter per second squared. A cyclist speeds from 5 meters per second to 50 meters per second in 4 seconds. What's the acceleration? Now, pause this video and try it by yourself. Alright, so acceleration equals final velocity minus initial velocity over time. Final velocity over here is 50 meters per second minus initial 5 over time. Take note is in seconds, 4 seconds. 50 minus 5 is 10 over 4. 2.5. What's the unit? Meter per second squared. An object moving at 10 meters per second comes to a stop in 2 seconds. Find the deceleration. Now, deceleration means it's slowing down. Yes, the velocity is decreasing. Now, an object moving at 10 meters per second comes to a stop. The stop is 0. A stop is 0. So, acceleration equals velocity, that is the final velocity minus initial velocity over time. So, our final velocity is 0 minus initial is 10 over time, which is 2. So 0 minus 10 is negative 10 over 2, which gives us negative 5 meter per second squared. Now, assuming the question said find acceleration, the answer would have been negative 5 meters per second squared. But since it says deceleration, to tell you that it's actually going to stop, final answer is 5 meters per second squared. Another word for deceleration is retardation. So when you see deceleration or retardation, you take the negative from your answer. Assuming the question still said find the acceleration, the answer would have been negative 5 meters per second squared. So try this. The ball rolls down a hill with an acceleration of 2 meters per second squared. Find its final velocity.